the poor car just wouldn't turn over yesterday, and it just drove to get here. It just drove, which is weird.
It's perfectly fine, and then something that weighs less than an ounce, probably about an ounce, messed up on it, and now it's not doing a damn thing. It's kind of just chilling. So
what was the problem with the car?
The fuel rail pressure sensor went out, and it caused the entire car to say, "I don't like you" for the day.
Yeah.
So Mr. David sat in it the first time and it just didn't start.
No, yeah, I gave it a try a few times to do the normal I guess you could say, quote, diagnosis.
I just bragged on that, 300 miles, that's it.
That little tiny piece.
Little tiny thing. See, what they told me when I talked to Dan from Thatdudeinblue last night, what he told me is, take the little switch over here and try to crank it. If it sprays out fuel, it's messed up, and it squirted like right all.
Oh, did it?
Squirted everywhere. And so we're like, yeah, she's squirting.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Yeah.
So after the Termi broke yesterday, what happened to your car?
It was sitting right on down yonder way, and a nice person decided to back into it.
Right after we finished the review.
Yeah.
Right after.
Right after.
So, Terminator broke, then got backed into by a Taurus.
4-valve struggles.
I'm getting ready for every single Ford joke of all time.
What?
Exactly what that is.
We went to IHOP one time in the middle of the night, and I was behind him, and I was doing like 4,000 RPM shifts, and I couldn't hear my car. He was driving normal. I could not hear my car at all.
The car has Borla attacks on it, so it's definitely not quiet. It's a beautiful Terminator, though.
It's dirty right now, but
it is. But how many miles does it have? I
think 115. So it's for the mileage, for what it is. It's
for not having pretty much any problems. Yeah.
Stick him up.
Yeah.
Why, little piece? Why did you have to be that guy? The snake would not inject its venom.
I got a little something in my pinky.
Oh, yeah, look at
that. Look at that. Get swole.
Myrtle Beach probs.
My pinky is almost as big as his arms. Look at that.
I have little arms. Leave me alone.
I got a big pinky.
All right, moment of truth.
Is it sure? Yeah.
No.
She's squirting.
It just squirted pretty bad.
Oh, you didn't put the piece back on?
That was a fountain.
I can smell it.
Just unclip it from.
Is it supposed to be like that? Why is that hole right there?
Right here. Look.
What?
So basically what we got was a dud, and it's failing to keep the fuel inside the rails.
My phone thinks it's a 4. It doesn't have Siri anymore. I don't get it. It doesn't have Siri anymore.
Okay, there's one on 860 highway 5 miles away. He didn't say that. He was like, did you go ahead and put it on? How you doing, sir? Do you guys have, what's it called? Fuel pressure sensor. No. Fuel rail pressure sensor.
What kind of vehicle?
It's an 03 Mustang Cobra.
Nice car, by the way.
Thank you. Oh, nice car.
Hey man, Terminators get around.
Alright, we're gonna have to look around somewhere else then because we kinda need it today.
Yeah, I fully understand.
Okay, well I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, bye.
Say hello.
Hello?
Please hold for the next station. Parts Pro.
Son of a bitch.
What jam are they giving you? The freaking hold, the elevator music they always do.
We know your time is valuable, so thank you for your patience while holding.
We need a fuel rail pressure sensor.
I need a car part for a 03 Mustang.
What year is your Mustang?
03
03.
Cobra.
Ford Mustang Cobra. Alright, what you need for it?
A fuel rail pressure sensor.
There you go.
Tongue twister, man.
It is.
Fuel pressure sensor.
Yeah, fuel rail pressure
Alright,
sensor.
we probably called earlier. We got a few people. Okay.
So they're coming back?
They are.
Yeah, they got the part, and how much money has he spent?
So far, $230 so far.
Just
in
not
fuel
to get a dud,
rail
basically.
pressure sensors.
In other words, this is how fixing a car is really like. You have little tiny hurdles all the time. Poor Termi. And they're back. We are race car problem.
Like a race car at idle.
Right?
You should say at the meet that's your purge kit.
That's my purge kit.
Moment of truth. That wasn't very truthful. So the forums say we did everything right.
Unfortunately.
So now we're checking the fuse box.
Good.
The forums say that try unplugging the MAF.
Nothing.
MAF has been replugged in. Try again. Cue the deep sigh.
You want me to pick you up real quick?
Alright, last resort before a tuner shows up from the Mustang Week meet to try and help us out. We're going to try and push start it. Yes, we are idiots. Get some momentum. They said I could be anything, so I became an 03 Cobra that didn't start. But the people in the Marriott are like, you all are still out there?
They've been working on that Cobra since last night.
Yeah. Oh!
That was some.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Push it one more time. Well, because it's sparked.
That just gave me hope. It did spark.
We need some 80s montage music.
Put this in the video, okay?
Yeah.
Put that in the video. Come on, yeah, go. Come on, baby.
Like,
I think if you gave it some more gas.
Legitly at idle?
Yeah. It was,
Hell yeah.
and it died.
Well, let's do it again. No, Oh! Oh my lord! I've never been so excited for a broken engine in my life. Oh, you're killing me.
Oh!
Alright,
Getting better.
come on! Grab that shit! Get all the fuel! Yeah, there we go! Come on, baby. I think it's cammed. Oh my god. Dude, look at the ground. Look at the ground. Alright, found it. Yeah. We're not home free yet, but we're getting there. Who recommended the push start? This guy. Yeah, okay, yeah. You're burning off all this bad fuel. Come on. Yeah, so it was bad gas in the end.
Bad gas.
Bad gas.
Bad gas.
93 octane my ass.
93 octane bad gas.
Like,
you didn't put 87 like I said. Yeah, what was it, a kangaroo? No, with a Shell. Shell gas station.
is that where you got it from? A Shell?
Shell gas station.
Wow, usually Shell has good gas.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.